Greetings, good people. It's Hot Topics time. All right, happy Friday, everybody. It is September the 22nd. The year is 2023, and Doja Cat got a new album out. Okay, I'm definitely going to share my thoughts about Doja Cat and this album. All right, also on today's lineup, Black China. Black China is turning herself around, and she is going to be headed to court with the father of her son, King. Okay, Tyga is her baby's father, her ex, I should say. I don't like baby's father, baby's mother. I just don't like it. Anyway, her ex and her, they're going to be going to court. China is really trying to tighten up and get herself together, and I'm going to share my thoughts about that. JEANNIE Mai, Jeezy, Mario Lopez. The rumors are circulating. Are they true? Are they false? We will get into that as well. We really don't know. We can only speculate. All right. So before I get into those juicy topics with these lovely ladies, I want to talk about Tyler James Williams. Do you guys remember him? He was on he played in Everybody Hates Chris. He was a kid at the time. He is a grown man now, a 30-year-old grown man to be exact, right? And he was recently granted a temporary restraining order for a stalker. Yes, child, a stalker. All right. So and he stars in Abbott Elementary. He did win a Golden Globe, so I want to give him his flowers. Shout out to him. He grew up to be a very nice looking young man. Okay. I still can't believe he grown. Anyway, so there was a man that, or John Doe, a male, I guess, he was harassing Tyler James Williams. Okay. So basically, the harassment started off by this man sending Tyler several unwanted messages on social media. Allegedly, the man kicked it up a notch and he drove over 2,000 miles. He traveled over 2,000 miles to show up at Tyler's home. And when he got there, he proceeded to ring the doorbell at least 30 times over a 4-hour period. Baby, this man is bold. And I'm pretty sure he's not beautiful, okay? Because some of us be having that thing on us, if you know what I mean. All right. I don't know what state Tyler lives in, but you better learn the rules and the laws of protecting yourself, okay? And I strongly suggest you uphold your constitutional right or exercise your constitutional right, okay? The legal documents with this situation also noted that the man, referred to as John Doe in the case, he warned that he would return to Tyler's home if he wasn't allowed into his home. Like, if you don't let me in, I'm coming back type of deal. He's brave. He's absolutely brave. Anyway, the judge over the case, right, took the threat seriously and, according to Radar Online, gave the okay for the protection order. So reportedly, the temporary restraining order will remain in effect until next month, when a follow-up hearing has been scheduled. Listen, I hope for the sake of all parties involved that this judge decides to make this permanent. So when they go to court next month, the judge, he's going to determine if the order should be made permanent or not. I'm not feeling that. You people, some of you people with whatever type of situations y'all got going on mentally or not, if there's no activity going on up there, you guys are very, very bold. He has every right to protect himself, and I think that he should exercise his right to the fullest extent. All right, I don't play that. You bold showing up to somebody's house, not knowing what you're gonna expect on the other side of that, ringing doorbells and whatnot. Good luck. That's all I can say. All right, up next is Miss Black China. Okay, I think she's going by Angela White now, right? I think she's going by Angela White. Well, anyway, Black China and TYGA, okay, they are going to be going to court very soon. Now, according to Radar Online, the model was finally able to deliver court documents to her ex regarding custody of their son, forcing him to make a legal move, okay? And again, China has definitely been getting herself sober. She's been, eating right, exercising. She took a lot of the fillers and foreign substances out of her body. And she's been documenting on social media, from what I've seen, her transformation. So she's really trying to get like her mind, body, spirit right. Now, the report states that Black China, real name Angela White, hired a server recently to get the documents delivered to TYGA. Okay, in the documents, the socialite is reportedly asking a judge to decide whether or not she should be awarded joint custody of their 10-year-old son. Additionally, the report notes that China also wants the court to make orders for support of the children and issue um, an earnings assignment without further notice to either party. So Tyga's not feeling that. Okay, this is something that she has been trying to get resolved for a while. So one of the internet blogs reported on this, and he got down in the comments and he said, he typed, 10 years later, nah, stick to your schedule Saturday to Monday. Now, here's the thing. If Tyga feels that the current arrangement that they have set is best for the child, then he would have to prove why. China is going to be able to have her day in court, and a judge is going to hear the case. So I feel like whatever's in the best interest of the child, that's what needs to be done. Nothing out of spite. If he doesn't feel that China is going to be, uphold her end of parenthood, then he has every right to kind of lay that out before the judge. So I don't know. So, yeah, TYGA, he's been dodging receiving these court documents. So that's why, China had to hire a process server and serve his mother. So the documents were actually served to TYGA's mother. So she accepted them. And it's not like TYGA's not aware, right? So now you definitely have to show up. So you'll have to respond to the petition or face running into trouble with the law. All right. So we'll see how this will turn out. So China seems to be in a much more positive frame of mind. It could all be an act, because her previous relationships were very toxic. Her relationship with her mother, very toxic. Good grief. Her mama is just doing what her mama do. I'll just leave it at that. I wish them nothing but the best, and whatever is for the best interest of the child. If both parties are going to be mature, responsible, and take on the actual assignment and role as parent, not just mother, father, the actual role of being a parent, then by all means, do so. Please, for the sake of the children, do so. All right. Jeannie Mai, AC Slater, and Jeezy. Okay, so not only is Jeannie Mai fighting to keep her man, okay, there's reports that she's allegedly devastated over the filing for this divorce. She wants her man back. She wants to work things out. She's contesting the divorce. They have to work out the prenuptial agreement, work out custody and finances, etc. Now she got to be fighting cheating allegations. Okay, people saying, I reported on this, that there were rumors. I didn't say anything was true or false. I did report that there were rumors circulating that Jeannie Mai had something going on with Mario Lopez, aka AC Slater. Okay, I don't know if it's true. None of us know if it's true, but sources are saying that Mario Lopez may not be the reason for the breakup of Jeannie Mai and Jeezy's once happy home. So previous reports suggested that Jeannie Mai is devastated following news of her divorce from Jeannie. And now the television personality has to battle cheating allegations, okay? It's also being reported that there were like cultural differences, family differences. Who knows? That could very well be possible. A lot of people divorce, break up because of that. You have people from two different cultures, two different walks of life, and then you add a kid to the mix. And now it's like, well, how do we raise our child? Do we rear them to believe this? Do we raise them to believe that? So who knows? I don't believe personally that Jeannie Mai was blindsided by the divorce. I do believe that she is very well aware of the issues that, existed between the two of them. Who knows? Maybe she was working on it. Maybe Jeezy didn't want her to work on it. He wanted to leave. Who knows? Maybe he was terrible and he decided, I'm not going to ruin your life. The world may never know. They do have a hearing scheduled for next month, October, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be more information trickling out as the days go by. I do like the fact that neither Jeannie or Jeezy are speaking out. They're not posting anything on their social medias. as of recently. They are not speaking to the press. They're not giving any statements or anything. I think that they should remain quiet. Let the rumors circulate. It is what it is. If any one of them has a business venture, now would be a good time to kind of get those affairs in order. And after the divorce is final, launch it. I know controversy equals attention, and that's what you want if you have, you know, a new venture coming out. It sells. Controversy sells, right? Anyway, so yeah, I think that's we'll see. I think that we shall see. I don't know why he filed for divorce. Quite frankly, I don't care. He has every right to walk away from the marriage if he feels he needs to. She, the same goes for her, right? The most important thing is that the two of them remain mature, remain amicable, and do what's in the best interest of the child now and long term. So that's what I am hoping for. I don't foresee it getting nasty, but many divorce lawyers have said that things can get very, very nasty, and not necessarily because of the couple that's breaking up, but the two divorce attorneys, they go for blood. It can get very vicious. So I'm hoping that that's not the case between the two of them, because again, they have a young child to raise, and Jeezy has other children as well prior to getting with Jeannie. So hopefully he's doing what he has to do for his other children, and he will do what he needs to do for this young child. So in the divorce petition, he actually wants joint legal custody. So he definitely wants to remain in the child's life, or it could be a cop out because he doesn't want to pay child support. You never know with these people. You never freaking know. I wish them nothing but the best. All right, before I get on out of here, I want to talk about Miss Doja Kitty. Let me tell you something. Doja Cat is definitely a smart artist. She's definitely versatile. Do I consider her a rapper? No. In the traditional sense, like a MC rapper? No. Um, I know a lot of people do, and that's fine. I'm entitled to my feelings and opinions, and you are entitled to yours. But what she is a versatile, very versatile artiste. She's very smart. I think that she loves rap. She studies rap. She understands rap. I think that she loves pop and R&B. She understands those genres and she studies them. She's also extremely talented as well. This album, Scarlet, I feel is a strong contender for album of the year. Okay. I listened to this album twice today and there were no skips. Jay Versace, who was a internet personality when he started out, and now he is definitely a made his mark in music. He produced for SZA. He produced on SZA's album, and he has produced 3 songs. He's credited as well as producer on 3 songs from Doja Cat's Scarlet album. I can't even, I don't even want to go, like, there's so many bangers on this album, and I talked about this in my previous video about Doja Cat. Make sure you check that out. But I'll just reiterate this. She's giving me very much 90s vibe. What I hear is Diggable Planets, Groove Theory, a little bit of Erykah Badu, and Doja. You know, and I think and I like the fact that it's very nostalgic. Growing up in the golden era of hip hop and R&B, the 90s, this takes me back. I don't know, is Doja Cat even 30 yet? I don't even think she's 30. But she's smart. She's a very, very smart girl. Also, this album has 0 features, 0, which I like. And she herself stated that she wrote everything. The hook, the verses. So it's all Doja. Her pen game is strong in this album. Again, I do think that this is a strong contender for a Grammy, maybe best rap album. And I still don't think that Doja Cat is a rapper. I do think that a lot of the songs on this album are going to chart on Billboard. And I think that a lot of them are going to win awards in the rap category. And I think that her album, Scarlet, is going to be nominated in rap categories at the Grammys 2024. I tweeted, this was like 2 years ago, I tweeted this. All right, you see what the tweet says? This was back in December of 2021. Y'all are going to regret referring to Doja Cat as a rapper. They're going to put her up against your favorite rap girls and give her all the rap awards. Remember this tweet. She is not a rapper. And I still feel that way. I don't think that she is a rapper. Like I said, in the traditional sense, MC rapper. Can she rap? Yes. She's a great artist, okay? So you guys let me know what you think. I do like 9-7. I do like F them girls. I do like WYM, what you mean. That song is hard. And Doja is trolling all these rap girls. She is talking ish to all of these rap girls. Ballad is another song where she's talking cash ish. Okay. Check out her album. If you have, let me know what you think. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got. Ain't got no more. Please drop down in the comments. Share your thoughts. Those of you who have been dropping down in the comments and sharing your thoughts, I greatly appreciate it. All right. I love you for watching. Talk to you later.